We are fixing oversized and wrongly proportioned Canva videos in just a few clicks. First, open your Canva design board with your video ready, click directly on the video element and head over to the top toolbar where it says crop. When you click crop, Canva gives you standard aspect ratios like widescreen 16:9, vertical 9:16, or square 1:1. Select the one you need, adjust the framing over your subject and click Done. Now, if you want to change the whole canvas size at once, move up to the top left corner where it says Resize. Type in your custom pixel dimensions or pick a preset layout, then click Resize this design. The important thing is that changing the aspect ratio will cut off parts of your original video frame. That goes both ways because while your content fits new social media formats perfectly, you lose some background detail on the edges. In my case, I like to double check how the video centers after resizing so nothing important gets trimmed out. Once your layout looks clean, it is time to compress the video so it uploads faster and takes up less storage. Navigate up to the top right corner and click Share, then scroll down and click Download. Make sure the file type drop-down is set to MP4 video. Right below that, you will see the quality and resolution settings. To compress your video down to a smaller file size, drag the quality slider down or choose a lower resolution option like 720p instead of 1080p or 4K. Here is the main trade-off you need to keep in mind. Dropping the quality setting significantly reduces the megabyte size of your final file, but you lose fine visual clarity and crispness in the video output. On the flip side, keeping the slider all the way up gives you maximum sharpness, but the overall file size will be much larger. Another thing to notice is that Canva reserves custom quality sliders for Canva Pro accounts, while standard compression downloads remain available on free accounts. Select your preferred balance between size and clarity, then click the purple download button at the bottom. Your compressed video will save directly to your device, ready to post or send without clogging up your storage space.